given f of x, so it's 1 over x, and g of x equals x squared minus 1, find the composite function g of f of 1 divided by radical 2. And whenever you're given something like this with double parentheses, do the inner parentheses first. F of x, f of 1 radical 2, sorry. Let's just go ahead and replace that back. Okay. Number 1, you're going to find innermost parentheses first, handle that, and then apply. F of x says whenever you're given something for x, go ahead and find reciprocal. Reciprocal of 1 over 1 radical 2. Find out 1, this is vertical, right? I'm going to write it horizontally. Spread out like from left to right instead of up to down. Right? 1 divided by 1 divided by radical 2. So it's 1 times, and the reciprocal, this turns into multiplication, and this is reciprocal, so radical 2 over 1. 1 is a whole number, it can be represented by itself over 1. So multiply your numerator times numerator, radical 2. 1 times 1, 1. Radical 2 divided by 1, radical 2. So your answer for f of 1 divided by radical 2 is radical 2. Right? And number 2, right, is g of f of 1 radical 2. And then you're gonna just go ahead and do whatever g says. G says whatever's inside the parentheses must be squared and then subtracted by 1. So inside whatever this is, it's going to be g of radical 2. Notice how these are identical, right? Okay. And I'm going to square what's inside and then subtract by 2. So radical 2 times radical 2 will give you the radicand, whatever's inside, which is 2 minus 1. And 2 minus 1 is 1, so g of f of 1 divided by radical 2 is going to equal 1.